How to fix only balanced power plan available on Windows. If you only see the balanced power plan available on Windows, you can try the following methods to enable other power plans. On Windows 10 or 11, you can use the power command in a command prompt to restore the missing default power plans. For example, to restore the high performance plan, you can run this command: power duplicate scheme 8C5E7FDAE8BF4A969885A6E23A8C635C. On Windows 11, you can also change the power mode in the Settings app to adjust the performance and battery usage of your device. To do this, go to Settings, System Power and Battery, and select your preferred power mode from the drop-down menu. On Windows 10 Pro for Workstations Edition, you can enable the Ultimate Performance Power Plan in the Control Panel's Power Options console. To do this, go to Control Panel Hardware and Sound Power Options and select Ultimate Performance from the list of power plans.